It missed EAS, but
to 40 miles an hour and pea-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Seligman. This includes the following highways: Business Interstate 40 between mile markers 140 and 141. Route 66 between mile markers 132 and 139. Interstate 40 between mile markers 115 and 130. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The following is a special weather statement for the Flagstaff listening area.